Hi, I'm Old Sneelock. Welcome to another episode of Old Sneelock's Workshop.
In June of 2011, when we moved into this house, there was a barn in the backyard. It was painted blue and looked rather bedraggled. But Lydia and I worked on it several times fixing it. It had been sitting next to a wood pile and had been infested with bugs. So we tore off the siding, tore off the shingles, put new shingles on, rebuilt the siding, put a good coat of paint on it, and that was pretty much it for about 10 years. Then we built the green building, and that meant that I didn't need the red building anymore.
Picked up these 5/8 carriage bolts at the Restore, and they're going to do a good job of holding this chain onto the 4x6s. The only thing I have to do is go down the basement, get some washers, and a lock nut. Well, another project inching along. I have to jack up the building, slide this pallet underneath it, and then set the building down on the pallet and see if I can tow it with a tractor. I was towing it over here, and the stone boat went in a rut, and the barn hooked onto the ground, and the stone boat pulled right out from under it. Richard came over with his John Deere tractor and lifted the front end. We got stone boat back underneath it. I think it worked pretty good. Slid the stone boat across the yard, went right through the grass, no problem. Coming across this rough pavement though, it chewed up the bottom a little bit.
Barn's over in the neighbor's yard now. New home, happy to be there. This is a picture where it was, but I didn't want to take pictures of the neighbor's yard. If you have any suggestions for new video, questions about today's video, or any of the other videos on the channel, just drop a note in the comments. You know I read them all. Thanks for watching.
This video is not to be viewed by anyone under the age of 13 in the U.S. or 16 in the European Union without the express written permission of the parents or the legal guardians of the underage person. Such written permission must be on file at the local government entity in charge of enforcing the rules and regulations established by the FTC. Anyone violating these terms is admitting by default that they hold harmless the owners and operators of this channel. Any and all questions should be addressed to your local branch of the FTC.